Hey, welcome to Cowabunga Pencil Time. I was at the grocery store the other day and I found this Bic Velocity, and it was interesting to me because it has this retractable little tip here, conical tip. I hate these rubber grips, particularly on pencils, but kind of on everything because they feel greasy. I don't like them on pencils because I rotate my pencil, and I can't really slide this middle finger under after I rotate. It becomes kind of awkward. Anyway, this would be a nice pencil. Aside from this grip makes it like unusable to me. I would not buy them, but I have a 3D printer and maybe so do you. So I made this guy, which is a knurled grip section, 12 millimeters in diameter, that slides over and replaces this disgusting greasy rubber grip and actually makes the Bic Velocity mechanical pencil a really nice pencil. It doesn't have all that much tip wiggle and it's pocket safe. It's really cheap. Comes with some nice leads. And when I rotate it, this finger can slide on the bottom if I don't squeeze too much, and it's just so much more comfortable. Anyway, I put the files for this grip here on GitHub. You can download them and print them out in any color, well, any color filament that you have. And let's see if I can pull it off. Yeah, I made them pretty tight. They're just a tube. And I used this needle file just to clean up this print here so that the grip would fit nice and snug on the barrel of the Bic Velocity mechanical pencil. Oh, this is upside down. I designed it so that this large ring goes up towards the top of the pencil and the short ring goes to the tip of the pencil, like that. And there's printing instructions for a bunch of Pentel P200 series pencils on my YouTube channel, but it's the same slicer and slicer settings, so check out that video. I'll put the link in the description if you want to know how to print this guy. And I think this makes it a really nice, cheap, good pencil. So print one out. Let me know if you do. Thank you. I love you. Goodbye.